radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Oh God, what is it now? SVR!
Weather bulletin. For the following counties,
People must be aware of this.
Fayette and Greene,
It's not good!
the National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe
Or else they're gonna die of lightning strike! Yeah!
Eastern Maryland, southeastern Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania, southern Fayette County in southwestern Pennsylvania, northeastern Monongalia County in northern West Virginia, northern Preston County in northeastern West Virginia, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Jefferson Borough to near Farmington, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour. Source, radar. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Morgantown, Uniontown, Westover, Star City, Biddingher, Farmington, Fairdale, Point Marion, Granville, Friendsville, Accident, Brookhaven. This includes the following highways: Interstate 68 in Maryland between mile markers 1 and 12. Interstate 68 in West Virginia between mile markers 1 and 32. Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 14. Interstate 79 in West Virginia between mile markers 145 and 160. These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. These storms have produced damaging wind. Move indoors and stay away from windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook